Welcome to the 5th video of the CubeFarm tutorial series, where you will learn how to build a Joule Thief. The Joule Thief is a really neat but simple circuit which can be used to power LEDs using the last remaining energy stored in what are essentially dead batteries. You can salvage the electronic components for a Joule Thief from common electronic waste, such as CFL bulbs, and use them to power the LED grow lights for your CubeFarm. Let's get started. Begin by gathering a few simple components: a 1K resistor, an NPN transistor. People commonly use a 2N3904 or a PN2222 transistor, but there are plenty of others which will also work. A Ferrite toroid, 2 pieces of differently colored enameled wire, red and black insulated wire, and some spent batteries. You can use a small PCB board to solder your components to if you want, but you don't need to use it for this circuit. First, wind your toroid with 2 lengths of enameled wire. After winding it, connect one end of one colored wire to one end of the other colored wire, and then solder them together. You can also wrap your toroid with just one colored wire, but it will be easier to identify if the wires are 2 different colors. Solder together one of the single wires wrapping your toroid to the collector pin of your transistor, as well as a length of red insulated wire. This will be the positive terminal to power your LED grow lights. Solder the other single wire coming from your toroid to one end of the resistor and the other end of the resistor to the base of the transistor. The emitter of your transistor is your ground connection, so you will solder 2 black wires to it. One will go to the negative terminal of your batteries, and the other will go to the negative terminal of your LED grow lights. The pair of connected wires coming from your toroid will go to the positive lead of your batteries. With your circuit properly put together, you should now have a working Joule Thief. As an additional note, you can make one of these circuits with a 3-hole connector attached to it where the transistor should be, so that you can test salvage transistors to see if they can be used in future Joule Thief circuits. Now you can use dead batteries to power LED grow lights that will aid in the growth of plants for your CubeFarm before you eventually recycle these batteries when you have finally stolen every last bit of power from them.